Good morning, YouTubers. It's Saturday. Yeah. So, just so everybody knows, when you leave the house at 7:30, that usually means you're going to beat the crowds. So, we're going to TRUreligion, and we're going to bring you there today.
Yeah, it's like our favorite breakfast lunch place. So good.
And guess what? It rained here in Utah. So, oh yeah. The yard, vegetations. Look at these new tie-ups that I did on the grasses. So they look pretty cool. The house got pressure washed. Oh yeah. Let's not show addresses. That's all good. And then yeah, look how beautiful it is this morning.
Are we taking the Jeep or the Scion?
We're taking the Scion.
Oh, hey. That's
Scion,
new.
we're gonna scat. All right, we'll bring you along. Here we are. We're in Orem, Utah. Look at the flowers. How beautiful they are, huh? Oh yeah. What pretty flowers they have here. Oh yeah. This tree. Beautiful flowers. Oh yeah, cinnamon roll time! Look how gorgeous that is. Oh yeah. You ready for this?
Oh, yeah. We're going to pull it apart?
Oh yeah.
Oh, can you smell that bread?
Yeah.
That smells so good. Okay. It's their cinnamon roll, and it's steaming. Look at it steaming. Oh my goodness.
So good. Alright, so we're back with our food here at TRUreligion. We've got chicken and waffles. Oh yeah. And then we've got the Moab.
Moab biscuit sandwich.
Bacon, sausage, holy mother.
Like everything.
Look at that. Hash browns. What do you got, honey?
I have a 7-ounce petite sirloin with eggs, so steak and eggs. Yum, yum.
We've got our syrup here. We've got our butter syrup. And then we've got our hot, warm, regular
maple syrup.
Looking good. All right, so we're cutting into the chicken here. Oh yeah, it's really good. The waffles are nice and fluffy as well. All right, so we got the waffle. We got your steak.
Medium, perfectly cooked.
Gravy. Oh yeah, monster Mexican. It's amazing. Look at that. Oh, sausage links, bacon, eggs, melted cheese, gravy on the bottom.
You gotta have gravy.
Oh, yeah. What is that?
They're amazing bacon The flavor is like so good.
So good. Mm.
Chicken and waffles here. I'm gonna try this butter yumminess. Whoa, whoa. And then we're gonna hit it up with some chicken. To do the traditional chicken and waffle, we have to do the chicken and waffle. Look at that, dripping off there.
Yummy.
Oh, wow. The chicken is so tender and juicy. The waffle is so fluffy, and you have that crisp of the crust. And then that butter syrup, oh, it's so sweet, so good. Oh, wow. All right, these are our leftovers. So we try to eat everything, but we got a full box to bring home of deliciousness. I can barely shut the box. The biscuit's so huge. But yeah, so we finished up here. I just want to say, out of 5 stars, this place gets a 5 stars all day. Customer service, quality, environment, friendliness, and it's just all delicious. So here in Orem, Utah, TRUreligion, come get some. All right, well, we're leaving TRUreligion here. Got the reviewer number 2, Big Burt's Adventures number 2.
Number 2.
I'm number 1. Let's
That's
always
true.
remember that.
That's true.
She's really number 1. But yeah, so just a quick stars rating. I gave it a 5 stars all day. I already gave my opinion on it.
Definitely, this place is totally 5 stars. It's funny because my mom introduced us to this place, and she was like, "This is my favorite breakfast place." So the first time we came, we were with her, right?
That's right.
And every time we've come since then, everything that we've tried, they are just so good. So definitely highly recommend
That's right.
this place if you're getting out in the morning for a nice breakfast.
And if you don't leave with that, you know, greasy overlay of stickiness, you didn't do anything right. You know what I'm saying?
Well, actually, they do have some really good healthy choice items too. So,
yeah, I mean,
you know, if you're not wanting all the greasy craziness, then they have some really good healthy options.
That's right. So all right, well, this place is in Orem. Look them up. TRUreligion, spelled capital T, capital R, capital U, religion. Thanks for watching Big Burt's Adventures!
Woo-hoo! Subscribe!
And there'll be more food reviews coming to you.